Assalamu alaikum students, this is Marian Naseem from Meme Grammar School and today's our topic is inserting symbols, chapter number 3, office automation, page number 77. So how you can insert symbols in a Word document. The following are the steps to insert symbols or special characters in a document. You all are familiar with this window up till now. You can see this. What is this written over here? Symbols. Just click on this. You can see various symbols visible. What are the steps you have to follow? Simply click on the insert tab, then go over here on a symbol, click on symbol button. You can see the various symbols. You can insert any symbol you want to insert in your Word document. These are all the steps provided. Click insert tab, click symbols, which is the right end of a ribbon. A group symbols will displayed as shown in the figure. Click the symbol that is inserted in a document. The symbol will be inserted in the document as shown. You can see. Okay students, you can see if you want to see the more symbols, just simply click on this more symbols button. Once you are done with this, you can see this window. Here you can find various symbols. Okay, so you can select any you want. It will be in your current selection process. Then you can simply click on insert button. It will come in your selection. This is the process given over here also. To display more symbols, click more symbols in the symbols menu. A new dialog box will open the two tabs, symbols and special characters as shown in the figure. Now select the symbol and click insert button as I have just discussed with you. Then there is a next topic, inserting equations. Same with the symbol, you can see the equation also. Just click on that button. Go to the insert tab, just click on the equation button. Word allow the user to insert common mathematical equation build up on its own. The following are the steps to build. Go to the insert tab, click on the equation button. Select the type of equation you want to insert as shown in the figure. The following steps also use it to insert. Click insert tab, click pi button on the symbols group. This will open the design tab as shown in the figure that allows inserting common mathematical equations or build equations using a library of maths symbols. Once you will click on this equation button, you can see there are different equations available. If you want to insert a new equation, you can insert a new equation as well. Go to the design. You can find out if you want to insert any fraction equation, any script type document which is in the form of a e power. There are different symbols available to insert a new equation. Okay students, so this was our topic of inserting symbols and inserting equations. I'll be showing you a practical link also. You can also find out different tutorials of a Word document to perform these different tasks, and definitely you have to complete your practical work also. So this is basically a practical task. Once we will we will do the practical work together in a lab also. So this was your topic of inserting symbols and equation. Our next topic will be formatting text, paragraph and page. So see you inshallah in the next lesson, and we'll be gonna discuss about in detail how to format the paragraph, page or a text in a Word document. See you in the next lesson.